Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best PS4 hard drive is probably one of the most important components of your PlayStation 4, directly impacting game load times, overall system performance, and the amount of games and data you can store. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about your PS4's internal hard drive, from understanding its role in your console's functionality to exploring upgrade options and troubleshooting common issues. We'll cover the basics, delve into more advanced topics, and provide practical tips to help you get the most out of your PS4. Number 5. Toshiba 1TB PS3 PS4 HDD. Experience seamless gaming with this Toshiba hard drive. It offers a massive 1 TB of storage, perfect for all your games and data. Designed for PlayStation consoles, it's a direct replacement or upgrade for your existing hard drive. Enjoy easy installation. It boasts a 5400 RPM rotation speed and an 8 MB cache, ensuring fast loading times and smooth gameplay. Installation is a breeze. We've included simple instructions to guide you through the process, along with PlayStation firmware download instructions. This 2.5-inch drive is built to last. It's backed by a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. With 1 TB of space, it's large enough to hold a massive game library. Say goodbye to storage limitations. What we like. It boasts a massive storage capacity and comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty. If you need a budget-friendly option with ample space for your games, this is a great choice. Its large capacity ensures you can store a vast game library without worrying about running out of space. What people say. My PS4 had the cannot turn on PS4. Cannot access system storage issue. Frustrated but hopeful, I bought this drive as a replacement. When this drive finally arrived, I watched a couple YouTube videos on how to replace the drive, super simple, and I did so. I then turned on the PS4 and it told me to reinstall PS4 software. I had to go to the PlayStation website and look for reinstalling PS4 software, and the process was very simple. As stated, this hard drive worked great and the process was pretty simple. Bought this to replace a corrupt hard drive on a PlayStation 4 Slim for a friend. I will say it worked as expected and I didn't have any issues with it. The first thing to keep in mind is that this is a full 1 TB of storage. Its speed is as fast as a standard Sony drive, and it doesn't make any noise. In case you were wondering too, it is compatible with any model of the PS4, and you could slap it into a PC as well if you wanted to. For use is PS4, installed it, easy and perfect fit. Booted safe mode software took first try, no lag, doing good so far downloading first game. Only issue is does load as 861 GB instead of 1 TB, but I saw that from previous reviews. Understand any device will not be true storage due to different reasons. PlayStation software is only approximate 1 GB. Time will tell longevity, but so far worked well, faster than original hard drive. Number 4. WD 500GB PS3 PS4 hard drive. Is your PlayStation running out of space? This drive offers a massive storage upgrade for all your games and data. It's easy to install and will breathe new life into your console. It works perfectly with every PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4 model. Enjoy the same great performance, no matter which console you own. With 500 GB of storage, you'll have plenty of room for all your favorite games, movies, and more. Say goodbye to those frustrating storage-full messages. Installing it is a breeze. Simply swap out your old hard drive and you're ready to go. Detailed instructions are available online. It's built to deliver fast loading times and smooth gameplay. Experience your games like never before with this enhanced storage solution. Don't let a full hard drive slow you down. Upgrade today and enjoy a seamless gaming experience. What we like. This drive is compatible with all PS3 and PS4 models, making it a versatile option. If you're looking for a simple, reliable hard drive that works across different PlayStation consoles, this is it. Its compact size is perfect for those who prioritize space saving. What people say. It was confusing to figure out what brand and size would be best to order, but in the end I just felt more comfortable with a proven brand like Western Digital. I also did a lot of research online and decided to stay within the recommended specs for upgrading a PS3 hard drive. My analysis was that it seems like users have had better luck overall when staying with the 5200 speed, 500 GB size. My PS4 had a system storage crash and wouldn't even turn on anymore. I thought I was going to have to purchase a new one, but tried replacing the HDD first. It worked perfectly. All you need is a USB thumb drive to install the updates on the new HDD. My PS4 has a new life in it now, albeit with only 400 GB or so of space, and I saved a lot of money. Purchased this drive to replace my 150 GB PlayStation 3 hard drive, because I finally got to connect my PS3 to be able to download games off the PS Store. This hard drive came exactly as stated. It seems to be running quick and quiet. Number 3. OWC PS4 2 TB Upgrade Kit. Experience seamless gaming with this kit. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade. This kit contains a 2 TB hard drive, an enclosure, an 8 GB flash drive, a USB cable, and a screwdriver. Everything is here for a smooth installation. Transfer all your game data to your new drive effortlessly. It's designed for a simple and efficient transfer process. Turn your old PlayStation 4 drive into a handy external hard drive for your computer. It's compatible with USB 2.0 and 3.0. It works with PlayStation 4, PlayStation 4 Slim, PlayStation 4 Pro, and even PlayStation 3. Enjoy expanded storage across your gaming consoles. This kit makes upgrading your PS4 storage simple and straightforward. Get ready to enjoy more games and faster load times. What we like. It's more than just a hard drive, it's a complete upgrade kit. If you need a massive storage upgrade and the ability to reuse your old drive externally, this kit is perfect. You get everything you need for a seamless upgrade and added external storage. What people say. The kit ships in a nondescript and deceptively small cardboard box. It comes with a succinct single sheet of instructions that walks you through the upgrade process in 4 main steps. 1. Back up your save game data onto the USB drive, provided with the bundle. 2. Physically replace the stock hard drive with the upgrade drive, using the provided screwdriver. 3. Download and install the latest PS4 system software using the provided USB drive. 4. Restore your save game data to the new drive, and reinstall your games. Did, and came, exactly as described. It was really well packaged. The HDD was in an anti-static bag, in bubble wrap, secured in multi-layer cardboard. I was really impressed. That said, you can do this with your own SSD, thumb drive, and go to the PS Store and do the download, but this was convenient and gives you all you need to convert an old drive to an external drive. I installed an Evo SSD and used the HDD this came with as the external. The instructions made it cake, and I was done in about 5 minutes. Came in a kit with flash drive, external hard drive, case and instructions for installation. Number 2. MaxDigitalData MD1000GLSA854-PS. It's a high-performance 2.5-inch SATA hard drive, perfect for gamers. This drive is designed to enhance your gaming experience. With its compact size and SATA interface, it's easy to install and use in your gaming console. It seamlessly integrates into your existing setup. Its slim 9.5mm height makes it compatible with various gaming systems. It's designed for optimal space utilization. It boasts a massive 1 TB capacity, fast 5400 RPM speed, and an 8 MB cache for quick loading times. Experience smooth gameplay without lag. It's compatible with various PlayStation consoles, including the PS3 and PS4 models. Enjoy your favorite games with expanded storage. Store up to 80 games, each 25 GB in size. It offers ample space for all your gaming needs. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty. What we like. This drive offers a massive 1 TB capacity, enough to hold a huge number of games. If you are a gamer with a large game library, this drive will be perfect for you. Its large capacity means you can store all your favorite games without constantly deleting and reinstalling. What people say. Easy installation and comes with instructions on how to install the PS4 system on it, so very happy. You do need a computer and flash drive to download and transfer the system to the PS4. Works great for PS4 HDD swap. You have a SATA to USB. Hook to PC and reformat and initialize. Create new volume partition of full NTST. Eject. Input to PS4. Start up and have USB drive with PSN reinstallation file. The quality was good, the noise was low. I like the extra storage I got, the booting up was slightly faster than the original one. Recognition and durability of this product is good. Number 1. WD 2TB WD-20SPZX Laptop Hard Drive. This 2TB hard drive is perfect for your laptop or PS4. It's from Western Digital, so you know it's reliable. You're getting the peace of mind that comes with a trusted brand. Western Digital is known for its quality and durability. It includes a free download of Acronis True Image WD Edition cloning software. This makes transferring your data a breeze. It's been rigorously tested in WD's FIT lab to ensure compatibility with a wide range of systems. It's ready to work seamlessly with your high-performance PC. This drive boasts 5,400 RPM, a 2.5-inch form factor, 128 MB cache, and SATA 3 interface. It's brand new and factory sealed. Purchase with confidence. It comes with a 2-year warranty from the seller for your added protection. What we like. It offers a massive 2 TB capacity and comes with WD's renowned quality and reliability. If you value speed and reliability above all else, this is the drive for you. Its large capacity and fast speeds ensure a smooth gaming experience. What people say. Took old SSD out and swapped the new in, and he is playing it at this moment. Pretty simple to do and cheaper than buying a new system. Plus upgrades the storage space. Increased the storage of my PS4 Pro console, and haven't had any issues with the installation of my games. This one came pre-formatted for gaming, so I didn't need to worry about that. We swapped out hard drives, followed the instructions to do the update, and within 10 minutes his console was up and running again. This hard drive is way faster than the original one, and he didn't lose any of his data or games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.